Hello and welcome to Maritime View. We're really excited to be sharing with you the latest construction update for this development as we're nearing completion. During the last quarter, there has been lots of progress made across the entire site, bringing this finished vision to a reality. Follow me and let's take a closer look together. A major milestone this quarter is that all apartments are now fully completed. Joinery, fitted kitchens, and your integrated appliances. If you take a look over here, you can see that all furniture packs have now been delivered and in the next few days will be fully installed. Final snagging works and deep cleaning is now underway, ensuring each apartment is presented to the highest standard. Plus, interior finishing across the entire development has continued to progress. As you can see around me, all corridors and lift lobbies are now fully completed, creating a space that truly reflects the quality and finish of the development. Also, as you can see here, all essential building services are now up and running, which is helping the development progress further and faster. Electrical systems have successfully completed live testing, water systems have been commissioned, and ventilation testing has also been completed. These important stages help ensure the apartments are fully prepared as the development approaches handover. I'm currently stood in what will be the reception area here at Maritime View. As you can see around me, all essential materials have now been delivered and work will commence the week coming, which will bring us closer to the finished build. As Maritime View is getting closer to completion, a lot of you will already be in contact with our post-payment team, who are guiding you through the final stages of your investment journey. We're also looking forward to welcoming investors to our upcoming viewing week, once safe access has been finalised. Invitations will be sent out to all investors, giving you the opportunity to visit the development, see your apartment in person, and meet members of our team, who will be on hand to answer any questions you may have. If you're completing your purchase with a mortgage, please continue working closely with your broker and solicitor to ensure everything is progressing smoothly. If you're completing with cash, we also encourage you to remain in contact with your solicitor regarding any outstanding documentation and final checks that may be required. From me and the whole RWinvest team, thank you for choosing to invest with us. We really do appreciate all your trust and look forward to working with you in future opportunities. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and follow our social media platforms to stay up to date with upcoming construction videos, launches, and everything happening across our RWinvest portfolio. See you then.